G'day. You're Australian. You meant to say g'day. What? You talk too? Do you and Dolly chat sometimes? Oops. A couple of Maggies, I think. Yeah, there's our magpies. Ones that swoop people when they're trying to ride their bikes. You can get swooped by magpies. They can actually be a real pain in the butt for swooping during mating season and all that. I've never been swooped by a bird. Oops, oh look, it flew away. It's over there now, off into the distance. You can see it going. Oh, there's a heap of them going. It's like, let's get the flock out of here.